Hi everyone! Let's talk about a super easy photo trick. On October 12th, 2025, the Remove Background feature on Chrome got a big update. For your online shop, for your social media posts, for school projects, anything. First, find and install an extension on Chrome Web. Pin your extension to Chrome web browser and click on it to pin it. Now the extension will open, and you can either upload the image from your computer or have the extension process it directly. In the Properties panel, under Quick Actions, click the Remove Background button. Photoshop will automatically remove the background with a mask. Let's see the result after removing the background with Photoshop's Chrome extension. Try different colors or add your own image as a new background. This is easy background trick. You know how hard it is to remove the background from a picture? Like cutting out a person or a product. It's now amazing with tricky stuff, like your hair, your dog's fur, or the edges of glasses. It works almost perfectly with just one click. Once you're happy with the result, save your project, name your file. This is great for everyone. For your online shop, for your social media posts, for school projects, anything. It saves so much time and stress. And download it to your computer or phone. Now, check out the before and after glow-up. Find the link to the Chrome extension you featured in the comments below.